Hello, my name is Dr. J, PharmD. Today I'm going to be talking to you about some natural therapies that you can use to treat your allergy symptoms. The first product that I'm going to start with is called a neti pot or a SinuCleanse. There's also a company called NeilMed that makes some products like this. And basically what it is a saline rinse. A neti pot comes in a little pot. A SinuCleanse comes in a jar like this. It's a squeeze bottle. You're going to fill it up with water, preferably distilled water, and then you're going to mix saline in it. There's two ways to do this. You can make what's called an isotonic solution. What that means is it's a neutral solution. It's just going to rinse out your sinuses. That's usually the first one you want to start with because it can cause some burning or stinging. It's a little uncomfortable. The next thing you can do is called a hypertonic solution, and typically you're going to put 2 to 3 packets of saline in it, and what that does is it's actually going to help draw fluid out of your nose, clear up the mucus. This is really great for people that have high blood pressure or other health conditions that can't use decongestants like Sudafed or other products like that. So definitely check it out. It's about the best $10 you're ever going to spend to treat your allergies, in my opinion. I own one. I think they work fantastic. The next thing I'd like to discuss is called butterbur. Butterbur contains pectines, and pectines are thought to help reduce inflammation. The way they work is thought to be similar to Singulair, which is a prescription medication approved in the United States here. It's very expensive. There's a couple studies that have been done. Butterbur looks pretty promising. It's from the aster family, which contains daisies and ragweeds. You want to stay away from it if you have any severe allergies to those plants. And you want to make sure that the butterbur extract you're using has no PAs. A PA is basically a type of alkaloid that is very toxic and can cause liver damage. There's been a few reported cases. Pretty much all the products you're going to find on the market now are filtered of this, but do make sure this is not something you want to use in its raw form. Next thing we're going to go to is quercitin and bromelain. These are often found in combination. Quercitin is a flavonoid or a type of antioxidant. And antioxidants, I'm sure you've heard, are good for you for the most part. This one helps reduce inflammation. It's found in these foods: apples, onions, black tea, red wine. The best source is actually onions. It's absorbed very, very well from those. The worst thing you could probably take to try to treat your allergy symptoms would be red wine, because red wine also contains histamine, which is have allergy symptoms. Histamine is something you want to stop. So that's why that's crossed out. Bromelain comes from pineapple stems. It is a proteolytic enzyme. That means that it breaks down protein in your diet. People use this as a digestive enzyme. Once it gets through your stomach and into your bloodstream, then it works as an anti-inflammatory. So these are found in combination. Bromelain has been studied to actually help reduce the occurrence and severity of sinus infections. There was a study done in Germany. They are doing small studies of about 100 people or so overseas on these medications. So these are good places to start. I've looked at some of the other alternative drugs out there for allergy symptoms, and there's just not a lot of evidence to justify using them. I think these are inexpensive. If you want to try something that's natural, go with these. So my name is Dr. J, and it's been a 5-minute health clip. Thanks for tuning in.